Very powerful, sir. That's just awesome. That's one word. I just say one word. Awesome. That's it. First one, actually complete my normal mindset to entrepreneur mindset. How to works, and it's very powerful, sir. No, I have no words. Number one,
ನಿಮ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್
ಬೆಂಕಿ
ಬೆಂಕಿ.
ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬೆಂಕಿ.
Make you cry like a baby. Your body loyal and makes video. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi everyone, meet Madhuvarma. He's a digital nomad from Dharwad, Karnataka. So he got his first client in just 20 days, starting his movement. So is this true, Madhuvarma?
Yes, sir. I got client in 20 days. What you showed me with the Prath, how to get client.
Okay, nice. So where are these clients from? Which industry are they from?
First one is hair transplant industry. Second one is fitness one, and third one is dentist.
Okay, wow. So what method you used to get these clients?
Actually, this client I use cold call formula. What you showed me in weekly mastermind
Calls.
class in every Sunday.
So you used the cold call formula. What happened? Closed?
It definitely first is shown interest me. Yeah, definitely I'm interested in digital market industry. How can I book your services? He told me. Then I show him you can you can book my calling calendly. I will show entire system how it works. You can work with us. You can go global, local to global. I said. Okay, he said, yeah, yes, I can interested in this.
Okay. So you did cold call in 1 minute you closed client?
Yeah, 1 minute, just maximum 1 minute. And take his WhatsApp number and share my details and my post what we offer them, landing page, Instagram, Facebook ads, and sales funnel, everything is inspired you. You are working with our okay. I'm touch with you too. First, I gave him 30 days trial. He said if in 30 days result, I will work with and continue. That's why I give him 30 days trial in first day. That's why he interest to work with me.
Okay, nice. So in this program, what all skills you learned?
Facebook and Instagram marketing, landing page, website building, sales funnel, and customer psychology mainly. How to another one is communication for how to communicate with your clients with what you show in formula in course.
So Seven, still you forgot mindset.
Yeah, mindsets are exactly mindset 9.
Website you forgot.
Website. Yes, website. More than 10 skills.
Yes.
I learned from.
You learned all this in 30 days.
Yes, definitely.
Wow.
30 days.
So how powerful is this program?
Very powerful, sir. That's just awesome. That's one word. I just say one word. Awesome. That's it.
So now when you're mindset wise, as an entrepreneur mindset, like have you seen any changes before coming to the program? Now do you have changes in the mindset?
Yes, sir. Yes, actually first one actually complete my normal mindset to entrepreneur mindset. How to works, and it's very powerful, sir. No, I have no words.
Okay. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what will you say in Kannada for this experience?
Number one,
ನಿಮ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಬೆಂಕಿ.
ಬೆಂಕಿ.
ಬೆಂಕಿ. Nice. So I wish you good luck.
Thank you, sir.
More power to you. Attend the calls every day.
Definitely, sir.
Starting ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ mistakes, there will be some mistakes with clients. There will be trial and errors. Take the support of the team, of the community, and start working together. Okay. So Yeah, that's it. All the very best. You have done a great job. You've learned so many skills. Amazing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? So, Bharat, join ಆಗಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, did you feel that fear before joining? Did you feel skeptical? Did you feel fear? ಏನಿತ್ತು? Like, were you,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
you were
ಆಮೇಲೆ
fearful?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
Okay.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಆದಿತ್ಯ, ಭೋಜನ ಸರ್, ನೀವು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Awesome.
Actually.
Awesome. ಬೆಂಕಿ
ಸರ್.
ಬೆಂಕಿ. Okay, nice talking to you. All the very best, Madhuvarma.